Hello, I'm Diner Bonilla, and today I will speak about Cmaptools, an excellent tool designed to create amazing concept maps. A concept map allows to deconstruct and understand a topic. Therefore, a concept map may be defined as a representation of what you think about a topic. This tool is very important for teachers and students in the teaching and learning process. So the first that you have to do is to download Cmap onto your computer. I recommend this URL that you can see here. Once you have downloaded Cmap onto your computer, just open up the program, clicking on File, and selecting New Cmap. Let's open this full size. Now let's start creating our new Cmap. I say Cmap to refer to concept map. How can we do this? Double click here and type our first concept. You can drag the concept around your screen and drop it wherever you want. Let's drop it here. At the top of the screen, there are 7 tabs. Each tab includes some tools that allows you to enhance your concept map. But let's click on the Window tab and get our styles palette. These style palettes allow us to change font, to change object, to change line, and to change some features of the Cmap, such as the background, the color of the background, and things like that. No, excuse me. Okay, a concept map consists of concepts and linking words. If you want to create another concept from the main concept, what you have to do is to click on the arrow and drag it. And drop it wherever you want. Introduce your first linking word. And the new concept. As you can see, concepts are connected by arrows to show the direction of the relationship. Besides, each connection has a linking word to describe how the concepts are connected. If you want to add another concept from an existing linking word, all you have to do is to drag the arrow and drop it. So let's type trunk, and let's repeat the action, dragging the arrow again, limbs. This way we can introduce or create new concepts. It contains ice, nose, mouth and ears. Let's do the same with the limbs. Dragging the arrow and typing the linking word. They are and the new concept: arms and legs. Now you can, if you want to link existing concepts to each other, just drag the arrow and link it. So just place the linking word here. Make it 2. As I said at the beginning of this video, this styles palette allows us to introduce as many changes as we want. So you can change the shape of the line, for example, just clicking here and dragging. You can do the same with this one. You can use the tabs to select the concepts or the connectors. You can select the concept one by one, or if you prefer, you can go to Edit tab and click on Select Concepts. You can see all the concepts are highlighted immediately. You can introduce as many changes as you want. For example, let's change the color of the concept screen. Okay. You can select the linking words or the connectors. Yeah, and we click on line. Let's change the color and the size of the connectors. If you think that your concept map looks a little messy, you can fix it just clicking on Format tab, and selecting Automatic Design. The program provides a new design. Clicking on Generate Design and accepting. As you can see, it looks better now. You can select all the concept map and drag it and drop it wherever you want. Okay, these are some of the features that Cmaptools provides. There are many tools to be used here. You can change the background of the Cmap. Just put this one, for example, or this one. No. There is something very important to be taken in mind. The fact that you have to avoid typing paragraphs instead of concepts, because all you have to avoid is to clutter up the map with a bunch of words. So if you need to add some information to the concept, just click on the concept and select annotation and type all the information you think it is necessary in the map. So let's type left, right, and this text box that appears here can be moved all around the concept and drop it wherever you want. Well, now this tool is helpful for teachers and students. As I said before, teachers can use Cmaptools to create concept maps to introduce a topic in the class, or to evaluate the student's previous knowledge about a topic in order to locate the starting point for the lesson. Besides, this tool promotes the collaborative work and the significant learning. It was very useful to promote the reading comprehension. For example, after the reading, the teacher can ask the students to give the information about the topic by creating a concept map. So the teacher can divide the class in groups, and the leader of the group create a new concept map and provides the access permission to the other members of the group in order to work collaboratively and create one concept map. That's very useful. So now you have to save your Cmap. So click on Save Cmap and type the title of your Cmap. In this case, the human body. Save. And if you want to add your concept map to a Word document, for example, you can download the concept map as an image, a PDF, and as you can see, there are plenty of options here. But let's download it as an image. So click on image and select where you want the concept is saved in your computer. Let's save it in Documents, and it's done. Well, that's all. I appreciate your attention. Thank you very much.